In front of me is HonorPad 9, and today I would like to show you how you can add a password to Google Passwords Manager. Begin by launching Settings and scrolling all the way down to access Google. Then tap on Autofill, Autofill with Google, and continue in Autofill with Google pop-up. Now it's time to select Google Password Manager. If you can't see any of those options, that means that you never added a password before. To make them visible and add any other password from those settings, you need at least one. So to fix it, use this gear at the top right corner. Make sure that this switcher next to Offer to Save Passwords is blue. Log in to any app and hit Save in Autofill pop-up. This way your password will appear here. Now to add another one from those settings, use this plus next to Search Passwords. Then input all of those informations. At the top, select any website or click on Select App and tap on the chosen one. Then enter your username, email or phone number, password, and even take some helpful notes. When you finished, hit Save at the top right corner. As you can see, after that, my password was successfully added. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!